hearing Mocha Nicole every word. I'm gonna have to come give me a piece.
Who knows that? Who knows that? Who knows that? Neighborhood hope dealer. Was a youngin' in the studio with hope dealers. Dark night to these clowns, I'm a joke killer. Couple women in the city call me the soul stiller. Not from Pittsburgh, and I ain't no thief. But when I'm inside your girl, I better can't breathe. Eric Gardner mixed with a little bit of Popeye's biscuit. Scream 12, but when it's us, all we hear is them crickets. Sorry for my insensitive comments. My content is critically covered with conflict. My conscience always care for my cousins, a convict or Akon. Don't matter whatever you call it. Regardless of all that, we still picture perfect like we taking the Kodak. Don't wanna see us winning, I'm hanging with Kodak. They scared of my afro, yet a pro-black. Who knows that? 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 Neighborhood therapist. So many people share with me what they embarrassed with. Look at my uncle like it's mental illness inherited. Self-hatred is the monster that you can't compare with. Swear it ain't fair, but it's life and imperative. I'm taking care of this situation, too impatient to wait for narratives. I get invited by dames to trap me in marriages. They try to dumb me down, I would double dog dare. I don't really like to move unless I'm paid. I'm not impressed with they don't even bathe. I don't really think a pimp is a trade. The proudest players act pitiful when they peep they've been played. Regardless of all that, turn over a new leaf like Boston passing the ball back. Came out the mental asylum and vowed not to go back. My diet was Seroquel, Celexa, and Prozac. Who knows that? 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 Who knows that?
This that real radio drip with your flavorful host, Mocha Nicole. It's leaking.
Whip, switch, left, right, whip, whip, switch, whip, 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 whip. Toot up, whip, 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 red room, whip, 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 whip.
Calm.
Kitchen stove is where I'm at. The kitchen stove, whip, whip. Kitchen stove is where I'm at. Kitchen stove, whip. With that dope and get it sold. The kitchen stove, whip, whip. Kitchen stove, kitchen stove. The kitchen stove is where I'm at. Get it with that dope and get it sold. The kitchen stove is where I'm at. With that dope and get it sold. The kitchen stove is where I'm at. With that dope, get it sold. The kitchen stove is where I'm at. With that dope and get it sold. The kitchen stove. Ambidextrous, rich, left, right, whip, whip, switch. Tryna make 3 birds out 136. Beat that bitch how many times that brick been stepped on. Sweating bullets tired as fuck, but I keep going. Whip, 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 time to bring it back. Kick the kids out the crib, time to get the racks. Right, left, left, right, bitch, I bring it back. Got the boots for them niggas that ain't in the crack. You snorting or smoking, my nigga, I keep you with all of that. Just hit up my line and give me some time, I'll call you right back. When money's involved, them drug deals go bad. Ain't talking about clothes when I say I'm selling swag. Whip, whip, whip. Kitchen stove is where I'm at. The kitchen stove. Whip, whip. Kitchen stove is where I'm at. Kitchen stove. Whip. With that dope and get it sold. The kitchen stove. Whip, whip. Kitchen stove. Kitchen stove. The kitchen stove is where I'm at. With that dope and get it sold. The kitchen stove is where I'm at. With that dope and get it sold. The kitchen stove is where I'm at. With that dope, get it sold. The kitchen stove is where I'm at. With that dope and get it sold. The kitchen stove. Left, right, whip, whip, switch. Left, right, whip, whip, switch.
Drip.
What you got for me?
Dripping on podcast.
Hey, dripping on podcast.
Neighborhood noise. Let's get it.
Tracks.
days I was asked out. I never forget what I did. Was broke but a nigga got cash now. I never forget what I did. I used to rotate me some packs out. I never forget what I did. They gon' fuck cause a nigga got cash now. Cause they seen all the shit I done did. I never forget what I did. I never forget what I did. I hit me a jug and I smash out. I never forget what I did. I never forget what I did. I never forget what I did. They gon' fuck cause a nigga got cash now. They seen all the shit I done did. My pain runs so deep. Reminiscing about them times in the streets. Was me and my niggas, we been stuffing switches. Was smoking our zips at the age of 16. We did have a Glock or a beam, but drop a nigga in his team. My only motive was a cream. I know some niggas flex for bitches, but when you pop up, they know we're on the scene. I had people lie to my face. Can't trust a soul when I'm making a play. If I get caught up, I can get away. I sold all my missions, I gotta be safe. I made me a play and I stay out the way. I made me a play and I count up this cake. So thankful that I got this food on my plate. I'm tired with the real, I can't fold with the fake. Bossed up on him, I'm a heavyweight. I gave him my all and a lot of faith. Hey, I'ma start not talking bathing Nate. Hey, y'all this money, I'ma need a rate. My diamonds brighter than the heaven gates. Hey, book a show, I rock them state to state. These niggas hating on the moves I make. I'm a legend, man, I just can't fucking wait. Hey, remember them days I was asked out. I never forget what I did. Was broke but a nigga got cash now. I never forget what I did. I used to rotate me some packs out. I never forget what I did. They gon' fuck cause a nigga got cash now. Cause they seen all the shit I done did.
Hey nigga, everybody gon' have a low point in their life, nigga. It ain't about what the circumstances are. It's about how you shake back from that shit, nigga. You gotta face all your ills and keep your head up and keep going strong, nigga, for real.
This was back in the day. Was beefing with niggas, got stabbed in the face. My brothers can't clutch with the J. Hey, I could be dead or 6 feet in the grave. Your hoe ain't the way I was raised. If a nigga won't smoke, then I give him a fade. I don't really beef, I get paid. Get my bread by the loaf, I ain't talking about days. Free all my bros out the cage. Was low, my niggas had to make a play. I pray for my niggas like every day. That they make it home cause the streets ain't safe. I hate my niggas had to catch a case. That's what come with all the risks we take. When we just wanna see the bands in our face. Man, we just wanna see the bands in our face. Money coming, nigga, underlay. When I was down, I swear I made a way. I dream about this music every day. I got a bag and that shit paid away. I bounce back like a ricochet. I walk with God on every step I take. Some people sleep, some people wide awake. I stay going in, ain't no taking no breaks. Hey, remember them days I was asked out. I never forget what I did. Was broke but a nigga got cash now. I never forget what I did. I used to rotate me some packs out. I never forget what I did.
But you gotta show me you deserve this. Look, you gotta show me you deserve this. Let me know how much you really worth it. And you know I'm really working, that's why I come through shitting on them, swerving. New wrist, we swerving. Heard you was looking for a freak, pussy game ain't weak, but if a bitch try to speak, better curve 'em.
Low key.
You know this just what you been waiting for. This just might be your favorite song. Once I tell you what I've been contemplating on, I know it probably ain't right, but the love ain't wrong. Try to stop fucking with you, but it's just too strong. Sex way too crazy after blowing the phone, and he start off slow after gripping the dome. It's a couple things I do that I said that I won't, but only for a real nigga. Is you really real, nigga? If so, what's the deal, nigga? It ain't even a question. He's staring at me, and I got him blushing like crazy chick, good pussy. But if she ain't insane, and you know you a rookie. Wasn't running from it every time that she took it. I just never understood that you need to turn him low, turn him low, turn him low. And if he a real nigga, he gon' show you he deserve it. Turn him low, turn him low, turn him low. And if he a real nigga, he gon' show you he deserve it. Turn him low, turn him low, turn him low. Turn him low, turn him low. All this time he been plotting on me. Took his time and he got to know me. He ain't that type and he got to show me. Been acting up so he know he owe me love. You gotta show me you deserve it, and it require more than designer purses. Look, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't try to play me. You know I get it wet up in the sheets. This ain't the type you hear about in the streets. Get at me, you know I got that everything you need. Listen to me when I speak, I'm trying to do the damn thing. I think a fly nigga. You know the type that got it, he ain't even gotta try, nigga. I represent the West. Known to hold a nigga down through all the trials and tests. Look, he got me grinning through the phone. I'm really in my zone, I don't wanna be alone. And I got it if he don't, and he got me if I'm broke. His real daddy ain't no joke. She can have you, but she don't. I gotta have my nigga whip, that's the type of shit I'm on. I'ma love you if you're right, I'ma love you if you're wrong. Like slow, like go, 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 go. Whoa, turn him low, turn him low, turn him low. And if he a real nigga, he gon' show you he deserve it. Whoa, whoa, Turn them low, turn them low, turn them low. And if he a real nigga, he gon' show you he deserve it. But you gotta show me you deserve this. Look, you gotta show me you deserve this. Let me know how much you really worth it. And you know I'm really working, that's why I come through shitting on them, swerving. New whips, we swerving. Heard you was looking for a freak, pussy game ain't weak, but if a bitch try to speak, better curve 'em. Low key. You know this just what you been waiting for. This just might be your favorite song. Once I tell you what I've been contemplating on, I know it probably ain't right, but the love ain't wrong. Try to stop fucking with you, but it's just too strong. Sex way too crazy after blowing the phone, and he start off slow after gripping the dome. It's a couple things I do that I said that I won't, but only for a real nigga. Is you really real, nigga? If so, what's the deal, nigga? It ain't even a question. He's staring at me, and I got him blushing like crazy shit, good pussy. But if she ain't insane, then you know you a rookie. Wasn't running from it every time that she took it. I just never understood that you need to turn them low, turn them low, turn them low. And if he a real nigga, he gon' show you he deserve it. Turn them low, turn them low, turn them low. And if he a real nigga, he gon' show you he deserve it. Turn them low, turn them low, turn them low. Turn them low, turn them low. All this time he been plotting on me. Took his time and he got to know me. He ain't that type and he got to show me. Been acting up so he know he owe me love. You gotta show me you deserve it, and it require more than designer purses. Look, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't try to play me. You know I get it wet up in the sheets. This ain't the type you hear about in the streets. Get at me, you know I got that everything you need. Listen to me when I speak, I'm trying to do the damn thing. I think a fly nigga. You know the type that got it, he ain't even gotta try, nigga. I represent the West. Known to hold a nigga down through all the trials and tests. Look, he got me grinning through the phone. I'm really in my zone, I don't wanna be alone. And I got it if he don't, and he got me if I'm broke. It's real, daddy ain't no joke. She can have you, but she don't. I gotta have my nigga whip, that's the type of shit I'm on. I'ma love you if you're right, I'ma love you if you're wrong. Like slow, like go, 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 go. Whoa, turn them low, turn them low, turn them low. And if he a real nigga, he gon' show you he deserve it. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hearing Mocha Nicole every word. I'm gonna have to come give me a piece.
Yeah. That bitch Drake. Yeah, you deserve the world, but you settle for whatever. Play with them niggas' mind, make it hard to forget you. Watching how she move, you could tell she not average. You could've been a queen, but you rather be a bad bitch. Bitch, rather be a bad bitch. Let that bitch breathe. You ready? She always on Instagram, saying she the baddest. On Twitter, updating the status, stunting on everybody she had class with. Photo shoots in the bathroom before she head to the club. Got lust all in the eyes, and she ain't looking for love. She too fly to wait in line. She just walk in, turn up. Always wearing some shit so fly, yo bitch ain't even heard of. Lame niggas get murdered, spend all their time trying to court her. It's an even exchange, she give you sex, she expect for you to support her. Bring her bottles with the sparkles on the top, make them pop, throwing money around, looking at them hoes like fuck you. Break a nigga for that check, a late night regret. Wake up in the morning to see all you had is left. But she don't think she robbing, she just play the game. You looking to get some pussy, she looking to get some change. Better shine and make it rain, no time to build relations. She know pussy run the world, she the baddest in the nation. You deserve the world, world, you deserve the world. Hold up, let that settle for whatever. Play with them niggas' mind, make it hard to forget you. Watching how she move, you could tell she not average. You could've been a queen, but you rather be a bad bitch. Bitch, rather be a bad bitch. Let that bitch breathe. Hey. You think you deserve the world? I disagree. A nigga better be getting money, cause that pussy come with a fee. She only fuck with OGs or young niggas born to some cheese. For that money that's on her mind, she got no problem dropping to her knees. Praying all on these niggas for that reputation, that bankroll. If the ice bright, the car nice, no questions asked, she down to go. Started at the mall on Keller Road, now she only fuck with leg niggas. Her first nigga ain't even have a job, now she only fuck with niggas that spend it. Whoa, bitch. Got that motherfucker, I got that motherfucker in my eye. Got that motherfucker in my eye.
What's up, guys? This is Lil Rap Kid. I always be dripping drip with Mocha Nicole.